Alright guys, it's windy, but show must go on. I still got everything covered back behind me. It's crazy, it didn't knock over the lights and stuff when it flew off. It literally just ripped the metal feet out of the stakes and launched it way over there. That way, right there. So I need to work on the CRV. I need to work on getting it stripped. So that's the goal. I'm gonna try to get stuff off of this. The back does not open. I'm gonna try to open it up. I got junk in it. I'm gonna try to take the junk out, and I might have a new shop. Well, temporary. Everything kind of worked out, and I will show you that, where I can at least build the engine and work on that. So hopefully things are looking up. We get stuff going. We'll start stripping the CRV because that's going to be the biggest weight killer. I'm even thinking about plexi, Lexan, all the windows, since I sell it at a hardware store and I can get it for cost. So I can build windows for it. Take the windows out, put a piece of plexi, put in the window sealer, and rock and roll. So the goal is to see how much weight I can save on the CRV, and hopefully it'll help me enough to bring me down closer to where everyone else is. Because everyone else has very light cars, CRXs, and hatchbacks, and stripped coupes. And I'm coming with old Fat Betty, red old CRV all-wheel drive. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, this CRV's interior, like seats and stuff, are very good. They're a little dirty driver's seat, but when I lift this up, like these seats are really nice. Even like the door panels are super minor nicks, and like I think I did more damage to them with something like this and dirt. So I'm going to try to save those. We got riding gear in here. Guess what this is for? S2000 stock suspension, all the new spindles so we can drive it, camping gear, and then leftover trash from the previous owner. I guess he liked Miller Lite and Michelob Ultra, Beck's, what else is there? Black Butte Porter, whatever that is. So yeah, I want to clean out the back here. It looks like they're already tempted by getting in the back, by getting in that panel there. So I'll see if I can get in there and hopefully get this back open. Get that lock off, because the door outside does not work. Because I don't like to open it up because the table's in there and I really want the table, and I want to take out all the plastic. All the seat belts in the back seat, headliner, all of it. Door cards, mostly front interior. Who needs a glove box? The AC doesn't work. AC buttons don't work. It has that one little split in the dash right there at the bottom. Missing the cigarette lighter. Take that out. CD player doesn't work. But overall, it's a super clean car. Let's try to strip it out. Keep some of these good stuff, trays and seats. Keep them in good shape for another vehicle. A CRV that's beat interior. We can clean it up pretty easy with this interior. Make it easier to sell, even though it's not leather.
Isolated eyes, a messy mind. Think I need to help you. I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby. Hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me.
See what I mean by nice? Even the carpet isn't really stained. There's like some dirt from use, but man, overall, this interior is nice. So, finished cleaning out some of the junk. Working on trying to get into the back over there and undo the lock, while at the same time not destroying everything else. You guys are gonna laugh how easy it was to get it open. So apparently it was just locked, so I unlocked it and it opened up. So the electronic mechanism must not work, because I used the button to try to unlock everything. It makes noises, but it must not work in there. So I unlocked it and it all opened up. That easy. That's hilarious. Let's get some stuff out.
I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. Couldn't keep your poker face.
Look at this sweet CRV table.
When I wanted to race.
Okay, just working on all the lower panels, popping out everything. Need a screwdriver for those. Take out the speakers. You can take out the back seats and take out the plastic sides. Take out the hook here and the belts. Hopefully get that off. I was thinking about taking off this glass altogether. I don't know. I might be able to just break it and then cover it, or just leave it and deal with it. We'll see. So working, things going. Maybe get a screwdriver. Tips to go into this, and then I will take the interior apart.
I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, put you to the test, yeah. I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I want.
Alright guys, we have some progress. We got the covers off, extra pieces. We cut that skin up. Got all the brackets and pieces and sound deadening stuff. We got a good pile going on here. We got a good pile. We're saving some weight. We're saving some weight. And that's the whole goal with this car. Drop the weight. So I gotta take the kids home. That's fine. It's time for dinner. Sun's gonna go down. So I'm gonna come out here. You take the seats out. Take these lower panels out. See if I get the upper panels and seat belts off back here on the back. And then the door cards for the back. Because I want to be delicate with the door cards, like I said, and the seats. Put them in a closed, clean container, and that way I can use them later, or they're worth reselling if someone has junked up CRV stuff. Okay, it is cold and frosting. Look at that cool table. CRV table. A whole bunch of stuff. Everything's getting frosty. So I was working on some other stuff. Didn't have time to finish. So I'm just coming to get my tools out of it and lock up the storage unit. And I can show you what we have in store for the storage unit. Look at that moon. It's so bright. It looks so good. Okay, let me show you the surprise. Okay. Yay. It is definitely cold tonight. So here's the storage unit with all the good stuff. And best of all, open space with my B16 LSD trans in there. Let's see, H22 Euro Type R cams, B series block and head, and S2000 goodies. But there's an open space now. Unfortunately, it still has some furniture. I think I can resituate the TV so we don't break them. We can put the engine stand there, and I can cover all of this so I don't ruin any of the china cabinets. And I can build a little shop. Can maybe move some of this stuff, clean it up, or put it down farther down in the storage unit, and build a little shop out of here. And that way I can have the generator out there. I can put a light up in here. I can have the fire at the door. I can, semi-close the door. And then, yeah. So this should be a good little area, I think. At least for now, it's out of the weather. I get that stuff off the ground, keep it from freezing, get it out of the rain. It's plenty of room in here. It's the 9-foot tall cans and it's 40-foot wide. And there's still stuff back behind those boxes I need to get. Radiator and stuff for the CRV. But yeah, I think this could be a good temporary shop. Now there's some room cleaned out and things reorganized. So hopefully this will work for the meanwhile. Alright guys, I'll keep you updated on the CRV stripping. I should just get like one of those Kirky aluminum seats and put it in because race car. The back is definitely coming together, getting stripped, saving all that weight. Oh yeah. So I'll keep you updated what's going on more with this. I'm going to end the video now because tomorrow I'll probably be working on the house and probably won't be able to work on the car too much. Maybe set up the new little spot, and then we will get all this sorted. Get these back seats out, get out the side panels, door cards. We'll work on getting it stripped out. Alright guys, I want to end in the field. You know what to do. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment below. More to come from Wide Open Throttle Garage. Till next time guys. Seriously, there's still next time. Even though the tent blew away across this huge field. But that's okay. We'll see you soon.